So today we are going to solve Leetcode problem 198, which is house robber. So let's read it. It's a medium level problem. You are a professional robber planning to rob houses along a street. Each house has a certain amount of money stashed. Okay. The only instant stopping you from robbing each of them is that adjacent houses have security systems connected, and it will automatically contact the police if two adjacent houses were broken into on the same night. Okay. Given an integer array nums representing the amount of money of each house, return the maximum amount of money you can rob tonight without alerting the police. The only constraint is that we cannot rob adjacent houses. Okay. So if we want to rob house number one, then we cannot rob two. We have to rob three. So one and three. So in that case, it will be four. The total amount is four. So I think we have to return the maximum amount of money we can rob. Okay, let's see example 27931. Okay, now if we rob house 1, which is 2, rob house 3 9, and rob house 5, which is 1, so it is 11. Okay, it is 12 actually. Okay, so we cannot rob adjacent houses. So we can solve this problem using dynamic programming. We can have two variables, which are rob1 and rob2. Okay, let's initialize with 0. Now let's take this like before 1 there are two other houses, rob1 and rob2, and these are 0. Now what we can do, we can iterate over nums array, and we can see at position 1 what is the maximum amount we can rob. So it will be maximum of rob2 comma rob1 plus n, right? Because rob1 and rob2 are before. Okay, now rob1 we can update to rob2, and rob2 is equals to this data, and we can return rob2. Let's see if it works or not. Yeah, it works. So time complexity is order of n, and space complexity is order of 1. Okay, thank you. Please do like and subscribe.